In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide rows and columns in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful when you're looking to manage your data effectively or when you need to hide certain information from view temporarily. Let's get started. First, open the Google Sheet that you want to work with. If you don't have one open, navigate to Google Sheets and select the file you need. Once your sheet is open, you'll see your data organized in rows and columns. Today, we'll focus on rows 5 through 7. To select these rows, click and drag from the number 5 to 7 on the left side of your sheet. You'll see that these rows have now been highlighted, indicating that they are selected. With these rows highlighted, use the right-click function of your mouse. This will bring up a context menu with several options related to your selection. Here, you want to click on Hide Rows 5, 7. Once you do this, the selected rows will disappear from view. Don't worry, this is only temporary, and your data stays secure. Now, suppose you want to unhide these rows. You'll need to select the rows immediately above and below the hidden ones. In this case, click on the numbers 4 and 8 to highlight them. Once again, right-click to bring up that context menu. This time, you'll opt to click Unhide Rows. Voila! Your previously hidden rows should now reappear. Now let's move on to columns. In this example, we'll focus on column C. Click on the top of column C to select it. With column C now highlighted, use the right-click function. In the context menu that appears, select Hide Column. Column C will vanish from the spreadsheet, but rest assured, all the data will remain intact. To get the hidden column back, you'll need to perform a similar operation as before with column B and column D, which surround the hidden column C. Click on the tops of columns B and D to select them. After they're highlighted, right-click to access the context menu and click Unhide Columns. Your hidden column will reappear as if it never left. Now you know how to hide and unhide rows and columns effortlessly within Google Sheets. This simple yet effective feature can help you manage your data more efficiently, especially when dealing with large data sets. Whether you're preparing data for presentation or keeping sensitive information confidential, these steps will simplify your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your Google Workspace efficiently.